Hi guys, this is your boy Josh. I'm a gamer and a little bit of a network junkie. Having a huge issue trying to play this game, Black Ops 2. I really like it. I think it's built well. Everything except for the server. I can't even begin to understand what they were thinking when they put this all together. And still, after so many complaints, and a few of the things concern me, and they really do blame it on the community. But it's not so much the community. What they've done is they've removed a 50 ping first system. Well, it was never implemented. That was Modern Warfare 3 that did the 50 ping first. If you can't find anything in 50 ping, they'll move on over to 75 ping. Can't find anything in there, they'll move on over to include the 75 ping and the 50 ping and 100 ping. If you can't find anything in all three of those, they would move it over again and include everything up to 150 ping, which that was a great system. If you didn't want to be in those games, you would stop the search, you would go back and you would hunt down another 50 ping. No one had a problem with that, and what that did is that ensured that everybody attempting to connect would automatically try at least to first. Everyone would automatically try to first get into a 50 ping game. Now you have the option to select whatever willy-nilly game they give you, and what this does is it just shoves anybody with any ping into your lobby that it's supposed to be the best lobby according to your preferences. This is not the case. If you're the only one doing that, then that's not going to stop, I'm not prejudiced or anything, but Jose from Mexico, which is quite a distance away from Florida, from jumping in my game that the best settings preference put me into. Then what's the point? What's the point of having the best if I'm gonna be playing with someone who's seconds, not milliseconds, but seconds away from me? With the lag compensation and how they have it set up, and we'll get to that, he's gonna slow down everything for everybody. And I'll also show you how he's probably gonna do better than we are when the server is closer to us because of lag compensation. I've seen a bunch of snooty comments about how lag compensation is some silly little myth that gamers made up to, blame it on the developer. But it's real, and it affects us really bad. I'm going to show you two videos. First video, and I'm kind of a network geek. I've run servers myself, just little home projects, web servers, file sharing servers. I know how to configure my way in and out of Ubuntu Samba, which is a little tedious and difficult, but just simple things like that would provide you what's needed to understand how latency and ping and download speed and how that works. So the first video I'm going to show you is going to be completely, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put my Xbox in DMZ. They tell you to put your Xbox in DMZ and disable all firewall through your router and forward ports, which is stupid, and it's stupid coming from these developers, because someone who knows what all that means. DMZ stands for demilitarized zone. Demilitarized zone means whatever IP address you put under DMZ does not go through the firewall at all. It completely skips the firewall. There's no need to disable the firewall. The firewall can be active But since the IP address is in DMZ, it will completely ignore that IP. So there's no need to disable it when it's already, your Xbox 360 has already bypassed it through DMZ. And then to forward your ports. Again, ports also pass through your firewall, and the NAT handles that, but DMZ eliminates the need for NAT. It automatically opens all ports to whatever IP address you have set into DMZ. So everything's open. Okay, once you hit DMZ, you don't need to do anything else. Disabling all security is just stupid. So the first video I'm going to show you, and I want you to pay attention to people that appear on my screen. I have a good, decent connection. I get like 18 megabytes download and 4 megabytes upload, which is plenty enough to play the game. What I want you to notice is when people show up, my game's going to stop. And that's whenever someone's within 15 to 20 foot radius of me, or as someone comes on screen, I will instantly stop moving. The game will freeze up, and by the time it comes to, I'll be shot and dead. And then what I'm going to do is I have a uTorrent remote on my phone. I'm going to turn uTorrent on. I'm going to completely wipe out my download speed, and I'm going to set my upload speed to max. This is similar to setting quality of service, to where you can throttle your bandwidth, and once that happens, you'll see that the stutter no longer happens. And it's really as if I'm getting penalized for having a good connection. And once you have a bad connection, you'll see just how much leverage they give you. And I don't know if it's leverage that it's given to you, or if I don't know if it's penalty that they give everybody else, so they have a connection that's just as bad as you. And it's affected way more to them than it is to you. And that's where we get lag compensation. So here we go. Let's take the video.